Hello. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Wherever you're hearing the sound of my voice tonight, we are presenting live from Ethereum Institute. We're connected to Facebook right now, streaming live on our group on Facebook. Thank you for joining us. My name is Martin Olsen, and we are presenting Forsage tonight, a great opportunity that's changing lives all over the world. We're going to take a few more seconds to wait for more people to join the room tonight. I hope you can hear us loud and clear, and the sound is good at your end, so that we can have a very smooth ride tonight. Okay, once again, good evening. This is Ethereum Institute. My name is Martin Hussein, and we present to you right now Forsage Ethereum Cryptocurrency Blockchain. Our network is bringing out its abilities, okay, its features for us to benefit from the smart contract business that is changing the world today, okay? And we're going to be talking about Forsage. This great opportunity is what we have today, and it's super amazing. It's something you don't have to miss. It's something nobody has to miss, because right now millions and millions of people, their lives are being changed already through this means, okay? And if you are joining us right now, this is Forsage. It's the first ever 100% decentralized matrix project that exists today. Jude, Olisa, thank you. You're welcome. Please, if you can hear me, please try to log out and launch the Zoom application again, so that because your mic is not enabled at all. Okay. Your mic is not enabled, so you'll never be able to hear what we are saying tonight. Okay. Now, this is the first 100% decentralized matrix project that exists today. It's called Forsage, and it was created by this man right here. His name is Lado, with his team of experts. Now, if you are looking for an excuse in life, you will always find one. If you are looking for an opportunity, you also will find one. This is a very true saying, and it's something we always share with people, because every day opportunities and excuses, they present themselves before you. So it's your right, okay, to decide which one you want to choose. Will you choose opportunities that comes your way? Will you choose excuses that comes your way? Which one are you going to choose? All right. Every day there are things, there are circumstances, there are conditions that will tell you, hey, stop there. You can't go further. You can't achieve that goal that you want to achieve. You can't do what your mates are doing. You can't explore further. But also behind those challenges, you find massive opportunities that comes your way every day. So my brothers and sisters, you are listening to my voice today. Decide to go for the opportunity, and when it comes your way, you take it and you utilize it. Don't let it pass, okay? Because opportunities, they knock but once. In Forsage, you earn Ethereum daily. You know Ethereum, what Ethereum is? Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, and we're going to be talking about it. Forsage, Ethereum is what you earn every day, and this is valued in US dollars, and you can spend this money every day. Forsage has come to stop scam. Anything's called scam, is not in Forsage. Okay, Forsage is a long-term project on Ethereum smart contract. It's a long-term project built on Ethereum smart contract. You know, Ethereum is secure, just like you have Bitcoin, is secure in the cryptocurrency market. So Forsage is a first decentralized matrix project, okay, that's built on the smart contract. All right, we are going to be delving deep into this and tell you how this can benefit you, what this means to you as you're joining this event tonight. In Forsage, you create your future. You can determine what the next 2 years, the next 1 year, the next 6 months will be. There are people who have made so much change within 2 months of joining Forsage. The world is going from cash to crypto. Now we have COVID-19 everywhere. That has changed the way the world sees money today. The COVID-19 pandemic is making cashless-based society, all over the world sink into oblivion with the help of decentralized technologies. What that means is that this technology that is decentralized is changing the phase, okay, of the way we spend money, the way we see money, all right? From the days of paper money to the days of crypto, okay? There were times they will use gold as means of payment, cowries as means of payment, but now we're using digitally created currencies for payments online. And now the COVID is here. What does that mean to you? Is COVID stopping your finances? It's a question you should ask yourself. Is COVID stopping my movement from making more money? There is chaos everywhere. There's trouble everywhere. Economies are crashing. But you should know that inside chaos, there is always an element of order. And you have to create that yourself. You have to determine to create the order by yourself. Have a path to success, even inside COVID. Because right now, this occurrence in the world that the world has never seen before is making people think deeper and develop inner capabilities. Okay, now the blockchain. We are talking about the blockchain. This maybe sounds strange to some people, but to a lot of people, this is a well-known term. Blockchain is, in its simplest terms, as it can be described as a data structure that hosts transactional records and while ensuring security, transparency, and decentralization. You can also think of it as a chain of records stored in the form of blocks, which are controlled by no single authority. This is powerful, okay? When blockchain came into existence, it is not controlled by a single authority. As a matter of fact, government fought to stop the blockchain technology, and today it has gone really wide and is helping lives. Okay, we cannot talk about blockchain without talking about the first cryptocurrency that was created on a blockchain technology. How much has Bitcoin increased since inception? Launched in 2009, the price of one Bitcoin remained a few dollars. For its first few years, it didn't even have any relevance. Okay, people bought pizza and just a few things with hundreds and thousands of Bitcoin. So, but the price reached its peak of nearly $20,000 per Bitcoin in late 2017 and since fluctuated quite a bit, averaging at about 7,000 as of April 2020. Now, today, Bitcoin is 11,000 plus. All right. You see, even when Bitcoin crashed in the market, when I say crash in the market, Bitcoin is gone down. It still did not go down that well to the level that it cannot rise again. Today, it has appreciated again. It's still going up again. Okay. So this is something that you and I should leverage today. Ethereum, this is the second cryptocurrency, most popular, most powerful cryptocurrency in the market. Ethereum is an open source platform that uses blockchain technology to create and run decentralized digital application. Okay, this is a very unique feature that Ethereum has, or dApps. that enable users to make agreements and conduct transactions directly with each other to build, sell, to buy, sell, and trade goods and services without a middleman. What you want in business? As a businessman, what you want in business, what you desire in business is transparency. Am I correct? Yes, transparency, where there is no middleman between you and the other party. China today dumps dollar, declares Bitcoin and Ethereum as legal tender. What this means is that China is looking into Bitcoin as legal tender. It's already declared. They're spending Bitcoin and Ethereum in China. So you and I shouldn't be left behind. If you have not delved into this technology, this is the best time for you to wake up to know that the world is trending in a different direction. Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see right here that Bitcoin is number one, Ethereum is number two, and both of them, they have the same structure, kind of movement in the market, okay? Now, Ethereum here is the second largest cryptocurrency. Here you have Bitcoin. You see the movement right here, the graph is very high, is very large, yes. But you see Ethereum is next to Bitcoin, has the most developers than any other cryptocurrency. And that is very powerful and unique feature that Ethereum has. The most developers, okay? When we talk about the market, Ethereum hit $1,400 in 2018. That was a peak, okay? The highest peak it hit in years before, prior to that time. All right. Now, experts and market analysts are saying that Ethereum may hit $2,000 within the next 12 to 24 months. What does that mean to you? What does that mean for you? So are you not supposed to take a position right now, participate in programs that can earn you more Ethereum every day? That is what you should be doing as somebody who is wise. Suppose you could make 3 to 4 figures a week paid instantly from anywhere there is a Wi-Fi access, simply by learning a few new skills, then sharing your success with others. What skills would you learn? What skills would you learn? Just by sharing your success with others, you earn 3 to 4 figures a week, right? Wouldn't that be a welcome development? How smart contracts could change the way you do business today. Smart contracts is changing the way people do business today. It's smart and they are contracts, okay? Where there's no middleman, there's no scam, all right? There's no possibility of scam. You need to know more about smart contracts. This is the next generation business programmed for success. When you conduct your business in the smart contract, you are positioning yourself for future success. That's right. What is a smart contract? I'm going to be teaching you about this. Now let me explain to you what a smart contract is. On February 6, 2020, Forsage became the world first ever cryptocurrency matrix project. Deploy a self-executing smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Self-executing smart contract. It doesn't need the agency of a man, okay, to manually run the codes. Everything is automatic in the smart contract. This is what Forsage has done and is blessing lives today. The smart contract is part of a global distributed network, and its operation and transactional data are managed by multiple member computers. As such, there is no central authority governing the operations of the project because it was created by the people for the people. Isn't that powerful? Isn't that something to rejoice about? Inherent features of Ethereum blockchain smart contract means that any unauthorized attempt to modify the smart contract or its transactional records is not possible because the decentralization of the records will be rejected on the basis of data inconsistencies in previous copies of the block. It's like trying to modify a bank. For example, the servers of a bank, to reset the servers of a bank. You know what's going to happen? There's sure is going to be some real shaking, okay? And investors, they are going to be shaking because such major movements can cause disruption in transaction records. All right, but that is not possible in smart contract. Ethereum smart contract is a computer program a bit like an app on your phone. It exists on the Ethereum blockchain. It consists functions and rules. Once uploaded, those rules cannot be changed. This is an advantage you and I have. They cannot be altered. Not even the developers of the program can change the rules that have been set in the smart contract. Nobody goes there. It's locked and sealed by the Ethereum blockchain network and it's there forever till the world ends. The developers cannot run away with our money. The developers cannot shut it down, because nobody can shut blockchain down. So the developers cannot shut it down. It's decentralized. Our money is sent directly to our wallets. No approvals, no requests. It's all 100% automatic, 100% legitimate, 100% transparent, 100% safe, and it's scam proof. No one can run off with your money. This is a guarantee in smart contract. Okay, both parties are protected by the smart contract. It is self-sustaining and it is completely 100% decentralized. 5 reasons to be in Forsage. I must tell you, this is very flexible. Okay, it's very flexible to be in Forsage because you work from home, from your room. You can do this from your room. Okay, everything is in your mobile phone, it's in your laptop. You control your business from your house. Low investment, as small as 0.05 Ethereum start. High profitability. People are making thousands of dollars today as we speak. Okay, low risk, is easy and simple to do Forsage. Now, on February 2020, when Forsage came, as a matter of fact, since then has been changing lives and putting smiles in the faces of families worldwide. And that is the reason why over 2,000 people are joining the Forsage project worldwide every single day from different continents of the world. People are enjoying this opportunity. They are happy. Lives have been changed. You can imagine how far Forsage is going. You can imagine how far it is enriching lives and transforming lives. So how does Forsage work? It's a very big question I know you are asking right now. How does this work? You need roughly $15 in Ethereum, 0.05 plus a bit, a little bit for fees in the network, blockchain network. There are 2 ways to earn in Forsage. The first is called X3. The second is called X4. Now these X3 and X4, they are programs. Forsage is 2 programs fused in one, okay? 2-in-1 programs, all right? So I'm going to be teaching you what these X3 and X4, what do they really mean, okay? You're wondering right now, let me see what this means, okay? Let's delve in, okay? You have the Forsage S3 structure, you have the Forsage X4 structure. The Forsage S3 has 3 positions, okay, under the main person. Let's say you, for example, there are 3 positions under you, while on the Forsage X4, there are 6 positions under you, okay, in the Forsage X4. Now, you just need 0.05 Ethereum, no matter what the value is, to get on board Forsage. That is all you need. That is all you need. Now, on the X3, X4, in your account in Forsage, this is the way it looks, okay? The X3, you have different values of Forsage, of Ethereum. Now, let me explain this to you. Let's say, for example, this here, this 4 square right here, this whole area is an area of land, okay? And you come and say, okay, this is an estate. All these buildings here makes up an estate. And you as an investor, okay, as somebody who is in the Forsage community, comes and says, oh, I want to buy some buildings in this estate, okay? I want to buy the entire estate from building 1 to building 12. I want to buy everything. So you begin to acquire these buildings one after the other, with different amounts, okay? This 0.025 Ethereum, you buy this one. 0.025 Ethereum, you buy this 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, all the way to 51.2 Ethereum. You buy them. And each of these buildings here have 3 boys quarters each. Let's put it that way for easy understanding. 3 boys quarters. What does that mean? When you buy a building, you expect tenants, okay, to come and rent these apartments, rent these boys quarters. What the smart contract does is gets you those tenants, is look for tenants for you, okay, in the Forsage system. the global community of Forsage, which is a crowdfunding platform, looks for tenants for you to fill up these buildings, these boys quarters for you. That's what the smart contract does. Okay. Now it's two ways. It's either you tell your friends, hey, I just bought an estate, I just paid for some buildings in the estate, and I would like you to, if you have somebody who wants to rent an apartment, just tell them to come over. So your friend goes out and tell his friend goes out and tell his friend, and they come and buy, rent his apartments under you. They will keep paying you for the rest of your life. That's what it means. So on the X3, you earn from this level here. On this slot position here, you earn for this position, you earn for this position. These first two positions here goes to your account directly. Okay, this third position goes to your upline, the person who told you about this land to purchase for your building, the person who brought you into Forsage. Okay, what that means is that will recycle this position for you to start earning over and over again. The same thing happens here, the same thing happens here, the same thing happens here, all the way down to 51.2 Ethereum. Do you know the value of this 51.2 Ethereum is $19,000 today? Okay, $19,000 today. What does that mean? That means that when a tenant comes and stays in these boys' quarters, you get $19,000. When a tenant comes and stays here, you are paid $19,000. When a tenant comes in and stays here, this one goes to your upline. So it means that this level will keep paying you 19,000, 19,000, 19,000, 19,000 times 3 for the rest of your life. As you earn from here, you earn from here, you earn from here, your earnings will triple. That is how the X3 program works. Okay, this is an illustration of the X3 program. This is you right here. You bring in 3 people without direct referral. Okay, you bring them into the system, and this person here is this person right here. Okay, this person here also has 3 people. The first 2 persons that he brings in comes to you as your earning. No, sorry, goes to his account as his own earning. Then this last one here goes to your account so that you can reactivate this account for this person that comes under you, and is altogether automatic. That's how the X3 program works. Now the X4 program, this has a bigger structure, and this is the investors area. Okay, if you want to come into Forsage largely, like with large amount of money, you really want to earn big, we recommend coming in on the X4 and building your X4, okay, more than you build your X3. All right, the X3 is for those who can refer, who have a network of people who can really refer people to the business and tell people about the business. That's on the X3. On the X4, what you enjoy on the X4, you enjoy direct referral earnings. Okay, you enjoy spillovers and overflows from your uplines, from your downlines, from the global community. That is what you enjoy on the X4. Now let me show you how the X4 pays you. These first 2 positions here under any of these buildings, let me call it buildings, okay, or slots, goes to your upline. This third one here, 4th, 5th, let's say A, B goes to your upline, C, D, E goes to your account directly, and this F right here goes to your upline as well to reactivate this level for you, and it's all automatic. Okay, what that means is that, for example, you see this level here, there is nobody here in this apartment. Nobody is here. It means that this person here has 26 people who have bought this same level that he has bought. And 13 times, you see this circle here, he has been paid for this level 13 times. 13 times 0.2 Ethereum, okay? 13 times. So it means that he also has been paid 0.8 Ethereum. It's about 600, about 300 and I think $90 or so. $320, I guess. 8 times he has earned $308 8 times on this level. You see that? So he comes and he buys all the way up to 51.2, which is what leaders do in this business. If you really want to earn massively and earn spillovers in Forsage, that is exactly what you are recommended to do. So the more slots you buy, the more buildings you acquire, the more tenants that will come under you to rent these apartments, the more money you will make on the X4 program. Now, this is the X4, how it pays you. Here is your upline. This is you right here. You come into the system. All right. You come join Forsage smart contract. When you come on board, what you do is this. My mouse. Okay. There's first two people who also are interested in the business and comes under you. You bring them to the webinar like this. They get interested. They sign up. When they sign up, the first two here goes directly to your upline. These three positions here, let's say it's $1,000. It's $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 is paid directly to you in Ethereum, straight to your account, 100%. Okay. And this last one here, you see, it's like a circle. Is for recycle this position for you, go straight to your upline as well to reopen the position for you again, so they can earn over and over and over again, and you keep any Ethereum all over for this level. If you are this person here listening to me right now, you are the upline, your downlines will keep paying you over and over again for the rest of your life. When they refer, you earn. When they cycle out, excuse me, you earn again. So you see, this is massive. Now this is what they call upgrade. In Forsage, the system is designed in such a way that nobody is meant to be stagnant. Okay, everybody is meant to move forward, to upgrade. Okay, when you upgrade, you earn more Ethereum. Okay, because every next slot or building you buy is twice the value of a previous one. Okay, so this 25.6 Ethereum, this 51.3 Ethereum at level 12. You upgrade to this level, you open more slots for you to earn more. The more Ethereum you earn, 51.2, 51.2 all over again for the rest of your life, as long as blockchain exists. Now here, you see this icon here. Whenever you see this icon, means that this person has earned twice on this level and hasn't upgraded. So the system knows that this person can conveniently upgrade to this level because he has been paid 2 times on this level. So he hasn't upgraded, but he will miss the payments for this level. Okay, so for you who have upgraded, you will earn for this level. When spillovers are coming, when overflows are coming, you will keep earning over and over again. So that is the beauty. So what is recommended? We're recommending for side, when you come in, you buy up to at least level 6 slots, okay, or level 6 on X3 and also level 6 on X4. That is what is recommended for you to position yourself to really earn more on Forsage. How many slots can be activated immediately? As many as you want, brother. As many as you want, sister, because this is an opportunity you need to grab. Okay? If you have the money, you have the capacity, or you are somebody who can reach out to other people and tell them about this opportunity that is so glorious, you can make money in Forsage, big time money in Forsage. As a matter of fact, the more slots you activate, the more Ethereum you can earn, so you don't miss out on partners who upgrade before you. Okay, they don't pass you in the line, and you don't miss out on matrix spillovers as well in the Forsage system. The community is growing large every day. Passive income investors earn slowly. The risk is tiny. You can only lose 0.05 Ethereum, which is your startup money, even if there is a loss. Okay, but in Forsage, there is no loss. All right, roughly $15. It is safe. We are protected by a smart contract. No one can scam us in Forsage. It's not possible. If you are listening to me, it's just not possible, because the Ethereum network is handling this smart contract. Okay, it's not outside of Ethereum, it's inside of Ethereum network. There are 2 ways to earn via referrals and via passive income. This can generate a perpetual income for you. All payments go directly to us, automatically into your Ethereum wallet directly. There are no deadlines, there are no expiration dates. Your position doesn't burn out on Forsage. You keep earning from them over and over again. It means that once you buy a level on Forsage, you buy a building on Forsage, it remains yours for the rest of your life. You don't buy it again, it's once, okay? It's one. It cycles out automatically, okay? There's no manual input needed from you at all. You see, this is, you can earn over $300,000 in Forsage minimum, okay? When you achieve the level 12 on both X3 and both X4, about $300,000. All right, this is the minimum income from each partner who have reached 12 level of the slot. Isn't this amazing? Okay, how do you make withdrawals? This is something that I know that you are asking right now also. We have to think differently with Forsage. It's unlike anything else that many network marketers have ever seen before. The following will surprise you. You do not have to request withdrawals manually in Forsage. No, it is not a website. It's it's in your wallet. You carry it wherever you go. Okay, it's in a blockchain. Is embedded there. So it's not a website where you go where you have to wait for a programmer, a program owner, or a manager to decide if and when you can request for withdrawals, when they will pay you. So the manager may travel and is not on seat and all that, go on vacation with his family, and you're waiting for your funds to get to you, your withdrawals. It's not like that in Forsage. It's instant directly to your Ethereum wallet. You don't have to wait to receive your funds, period. Anything you earn is instantly paid into your Ethereum wallet, which you have 100% control over. It is like an automated payment into your bank account. This is what you enjoy in Forsage. This, amazing, right? Awesome. This is why you need to use either MetaMask or Trust Wallet, which are the wallets that are compatible with this program in the Ethereum network. Now we're going to show you live proof earnings from people, those who are seeing results in this business. They're seeing results right now as we speak. People are making money. All right. And what are you doing? What steps are you taking? Now you see ID 166105. This ID was $7,694 and it rose to $24,000. This happened within 2 weeks. This very ID. As a matter of fact, I know this person very, very well. He's a close relative of mine and is enjoying Forsage right now. This ID 72376, okay, made $31,000, and that same ID has risen to 246,000 American dollars. Are you seeing this in Ethereum? ID 64, $329,000, and also rose to $791,000. Okay, these are money that people are making by taking steps, deciding to change their lives. ID 20920, $48,000. Okay, ID 176, this ID, $82,000. That ID has risen to $383,000. Okay, ID 113, $201,000. Okay, ID 36053, $115,000 rose to $203,000. How much more can we show you again? ID 20920 from $60,000 to $104,000. Now, let me ask you a question. Ask yourself, if you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. This is also talking to me as your presenter tonight, as a host of this program tonight. If we do not think of ways to spill income while we sleep, we will hustle and we work till we die and leave this earth. And I bet that's not what you want for yourself. That's not what you want for yourself. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's all you want for yourself. We have to do something to change our financial condition and our financial situation. This is why the opportunity to make money is in your hands today, is in my hands today. What do you do with it? Are you going to sleep, just sleep on the opportunity and not take steps to make things work? Are you going to wait and watch others make income, earn income, and make money? Creating passive income today. This is what we are doing, okay? By helping others around the world. It's just by sharing this with other people around the world. Tell them there's something good. You make your own income. I'm telling you the truth. Seeing people rejoice, seeing people live a good life is a way to achieve fulfillment in this world. It is time to earn Ethereum. Well, you need to start. What do you need? You need a MetaMask, a wallet if you're using a PC, or a Trust Wallet if you're using an Android phone, or you use token pockets if you have an iPhone for Forsage. Now, thank you for attending this webinar. Now, this is a Q&A session, all right? We are going to have to welcome, entertain your questions if you have any tonight, so that we can answer them before we go within the next let's say 15 minutes, because we have another meeting after this one with some of our leaders. Okay, now if you were introduced, invited, sorry, to this webinar by a member of our platform, by somebody else, okay, please, after this event, go back to them and ask them for their referral link, okay? That's the right way we do business in Forsage, for you to sign up, all right? If you need guidance to the process, we will gladly guide you, all right? These are Telegram group link right here. So you just join our Telegram group. Go to Telegram and search for Eki Forsage Fast Track. Search for this name on Telegram and join our group, okay? But if you did not, nobody invited you, you're a member of our platform, you saw our link, okay, you saw our webinar information, just use this right here to sign up. Go to this URL right here and hit the sign up button. But make sure you download Trust Wallet or MetaMask. If you need a direction or guidance or how to get Ethereum, okay, just go to our Telegram page group and talk to us, okay? Okay, admin, I want to sign up. There are people there who will answer you. We have admins in the group who will respond to you. I want to sign up. I saw your webinar. I saw your this, I saw your that. Introduce yourself to the group. I will gladly assist you in getting Ethereum and getting on board. Okay, on the sign up page, make sure you see our ID 414303. You can put this information down while we take your questions tonight. It is so good to have you here, join us in this event, and we are so thankful. We are so glad to share this with you. If you are watching right now from Facebook, on our Facebook group, all right, thank you for watching. As a matter of fact, thank you for joining us. We are so glad. Tomorrow is another day. We have this event every single day. Please just raise your hand if you have any question, and we'll unmute you. Okay. Who is that? Sheyemo Me 22. I think your mic is not even on at all. You may not be able to hear us. I'm not sure if you can even hear us at all. Okay, if anybody has question in the group, just raise your hand while we take your questions. Okay. All right. Luciola has questions. Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay, Luciola.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Welcome.
Oh, thank you. I think I've known Eki for a long time, maybe in the days of what do they call it? There's a program like that we did. So the name is very familiar to me anyway. So, but my
Okay.
question has to do with the referral here now. I just signed up today anyway by making payments. So I just saw my name on the list. Now, how do we go about the referrals?
Okay, about the referrals, it's very easy to go about referrals. All right. Let me give you an explanation. Let me give you an explanation. It's like you have a shop. You sell goods, correct? And you need to sell those goods that you stock in your shop. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
If you don't have customers coming to buy those goods, you cannot sell.
Yeah.
Now, if you don't beautify your shop, okay, to be more beautiful than the one, the next shop, the one close to you or opposite to you, you cannot even have customers come to you, patronize you. It's just a very simple concept. You say people today are so much afraid of the word referrals. No, let's not let English scare us. Okay? Just take the word sharing love. Okay? Instead of referrals, call it sharing love. If I don't love you, I won't share something that's good with you. So if you have love in your heart, which we always preach in Eki Traders Institute, you must tell somebody about what you do that is good for you. All right? Now, there is another part to this where people become very scared, like, oh, I've not even seen results. I'm just coming, I'm just joining the opportunity. I've not heard anything. So what do I show to people that this naturally works? You have those, before you join a business, there is somebody who has already joined before you, right? So that person is an example to those who are coming to the business after you. So you tell them about this person is doing this business, is doing well. Yesterday, somebody bought a car in Forsage. Yesterday, we have another lady in Forsage, one of the leaders, that bought a house, 1.3 million in Forsage. There are testimonies everywhere. Forsage is selling itself. What you need to do is don't convince anybody. All right. This webinar is here every day. God willing, God give us life. We are here 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Bring them to the webinar. Send them the webinar link on all your contact, your Facebook page and all that. Send it to them. Tell them to come and see and hear for themselves. Yes. Are you with
Okay.
me? Yeah, it's as simple
I'm
as
with.
that. Yes. All you just need is your referral link. When they are convinced they
Okay.
want to join, you send them a referral link. We'll guide them, add them to our group. We'll guide them on how to sign up under you, and you start earning. And they also will be happy as well.
Okay. On that referral links now for new people, do we need to go to our referral to get that?
Your referral link is inside your account in Forsage. Once you sign up, your referral link is just there. Your affiliate link is right there. So when you're coming to Forsage, it means that you need to sign up, okay?
Yeah.
By activating the account with your 0.05 Ethereum, or if you want $1,000, you want to come in, or $10,000 or $19,000, up to you. You come in. Yeah, anything is possible. That's
Good,
right.
good.
Yes, you have to upgrade your mindset and know that, man, I'm going for the
Of
gold. Yes, exactly.
course. So, you know why I'm asking this question is this.
Okay.
Today, before I made the token payment of 10,000, somebody was already on my neck to say, tell me once you are ready, please, I want to join. In
Okay.
short, he actually pushed me to do the deposit.
Okay.
I should have done it earlier. So
That
he's on my neck.
is, yes, that is a fast track program which we created within Eke Traders Institute to
Yeah,
assist people who cannot really afford higher levels to come with higher amounts, such
man.
that everybody push one account to the top to level 10, and the earnings for that account we push the other accounts that are on that supported the upgrade of that same account. That's what it basically means. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, that's the way that fast track works. But the fast track
Works.
doesn't limit you from coming into Forsage with any amount you have at all. It's not
Okay.
created to make you lazy. Sorry to use
Okay.
that language. Yeah, it's not created to make you slow down on your pace and relax. No, not at all. Because when you bring somebody to Forsage, the person gets under you even while you are in the fast track. You get me?
Okay. Because they use my link then.
Yes, we'll make sure they use your link and they come on board in fast track. So
Okay.
whether the person is coming $1,000, good for you. So it's better for you to build your network.
I guess the person is just banking on whatever you tell me. You know, there are these people who say, if this is you, I will do. He
No.
actually knows about Forsage even before me, but he
Okay.
kind of want to tilt towards me. He was telling me X4. Meanwhile, I do not even know X4, X3. Before he was saying, I just said, don't worry. That's the only thing I told him. Don't worry, just hold on.
All right. Just keep
Mm.
attending the webinar, keep learning and
All right.
refining your information and upgrading your knowledge. That's it.
Knowledge. Yeah.
Yeah. So
All
when you're
right
coming
then.
next time, share the link with him. Let him attend the webinar too.
Okay. Okay. Like
Thank
now,
you.
how do I get my own link?
On the fast track, when all the
Yeah.
accounts are ready to be upgraded, that's when we give links to people.
Okay.
That's when we give links to
So
people. But if you
can
have,
I register
if
an
you have a,
extra account?
you can on the fast track. Yes, you can. It's possible.
Okay. Multiple, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think one of my people will be coming into that tomorrow then.
It's all right. No problem.
All right. Then. Thanks.
Thanks for your question. You're welcome.
Uh,
Okay, we see another hand up. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, good
Temitope
evening.
Rawa. Oh, good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
Oh, fine. Thank you. It's good to have you.
Yes, sir. Well, this is like a miracle that I'm in. I was just going to my phone on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and I
Okay.
saw this broadcast. I just had to join immediately because actually I got to hear this from a friend of mine who is in UAE.
Okay.
She was the first to break this to me that she worked there with a man, and the man is into it, and she was advising me to go. But you know, this Nigerian factor that we have here, when she introduced me to the Nigerian market,
Hello, your network is breaking. We can't hear you.
you said register because the link you gave to me. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now better. Okay.
Okay. So the link, the person she linked me up with was saying if I had to register, like if I'm to sign up, I need to pay some amount of money, about 11 something. I don't know how true is that. I just said, okay, let me pipe low and stay check it out. But I don't know if that is true with this. That's if I'm to register, then come up to buy my levels later, as you rightly said. So I just want to get clarity on that.
Okay. The information you
Hello, did you
receive,
get me?
yeah, I get your question. The information you receive from that person, okay, it's, I can tell you it's an accurate information. Are you with me?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, I can tell you it's an accurate information because right now 0.05, which is the minimum to start it, to start Forsage, is around I think $12 or thereabout. Okay,
Okay.
so the rate of Ethereum as used by merchants is not the same
Mm.
rate as the Naira dollar flat rate in the market. So it's a bit higher. So you may be going for maybe 472, $470 to $1, Naira to $1. So that means that you need some funds. So with you are looking at within 11, 15,000. Okay,
Okay.
in addition to the network fee, you should be able to register.
Okay. So which means the information is right. I had to pay that amount to get kickstarted.
Yes, to buy your Ethereum. You're actually not paying it to anybody. Okay, when you join Forsage, it's a community of it's a crowdfunding community. All right,
Okay.
have the mindset that you are coming into a system that you trust and will work for you.
Okay.
So in my own life, I believe in going for the best. So if I'm going to something, I know I'm going there, and I know
Sure.
that my whole heart accepts it when I go there. I can show you right now something that will shock you. Let me see if I can show you this account. There is an account I want to show you as an example. I think every viewer will see this account. Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes.
This person has earned $1,376. This is Forsage. If you look through this X3, this person bought all the X3 slots. Okay? Look
Yeah.
through the X4. Let me show you the X4 down here. You see, this person bought all the X4 slots, all of them. This is $19,000. Okay? This is 19,000 divided by 2. How much is that? Calculate for me. 19,000 divided by 2. So you see how much this person is making all over this place here. See that? And he or she will earn this over and over again times 3. As a matter of fact, times 4. The fourth one will be used to recycle this amount for him. That's the beauty of Forsage. Right here is about $600 around this area. Level 7 is about $600. So you will earn $600 here, 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 and here times 3. We have enough money to pay for the next one and still keep $600 profit for himself. And you see, this person has earned $600 25 times. 25 times, my brother, 25 times. So it's something you need to build your confidence and know that when I'm going to this thing, it's going to work for me the way it's working for others. And you level up and work it out. Okay? And that is why we are here as your team to always support you through the process. Okay?
Okay. So if I will get you right, you said if I'm to come in, let's say I'm having like 15K, coming in now. So like I don't really get the startup points because it's looking to me like it's kind of different. You're paying for registration, then you have to not pay again to buy stages. I
No,
don't
when
really
you're
get
when you're coming into the system, the Forsage system splits your initial payment, okay, the 0.05 into two. You have 0.025, 0.025. Okay, let me show you the slide again, please. Sorry. You have 0.025, 0.025. Okay, right here, 0.025 on the X3. On the X4, you also have 0.025. So it's split into two for you. So in other words, you have two programs running simultaneously at the same time. So you cannot decide which the one you want to build and work on, but we recommend at least slot 4 on X3. Okay, even if you have to build on X4 and also continue your X4, you need to have some slots activated on X3 as well. It's very, very important.
on that same day or
No, anytime you like, you can do that. It's just about buying Ethereum in your wallet, clicking one button, and you activate the next slot.
okay, since it's becoming clearer to me now.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for your question, sir.
Can you share your number with us for WhatsApp so that I can chat you later on to get in case I want to come in?
Okay, our number is right here. Just show you the screen. Okay, you have our WhatsApp number. Can you see that?
Yes.
That's our WhatsApp number, 08031845588. That's our WhatsApp number.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you, sir. You're welcome. Do we have any other question? Any other question before we go? Because we have another meeting that's waiting right now. I think for the leaders. Please raise your hand if you have any other questions so that we can take it. We're still here. If you're on Facebook, you're listening to us on Facebook, you're very free to click the details of this webinar, and the Zoom link is right there. You can just click it and join the meeting tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. Nigerian time, so that you can avail yourself this opportunity and be very, very happy. Okay, we'll allow just a few more seconds. In the absence of questions, we'll call it a night. So we can move on to the very next one. All right, Olaide, thank you for coming. Infinix X501, thank you for coming. Lushola, thank you. BMA, thank you. And every other person right there, Temitola, thank you for coming. We appreciate your time tonight. And
thank you.
All right, tomorrow is another day. So have a good night rest and God bless you. Please share this link with other people. Telegram group link, Zoom link, share with your friends. Ask them to come in and register and earn from this opportunity. So good night and God bless you.